Salam everyone, welcome to my channel DaringDeen vlog. I will be reviewing some iPhone 17 Pro Max cases today. I bought the Apple phone case for iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this is the silicone case. I did not get the tech woven one, and the reason because is the material. The tech woven material actually gets to me. I don't like the sound when you scratch it with your nails. It makes a weird sound, and I'm pretty sensitive to that sound. So I decided to get the silicone case. Now on Apple Store, the price of the silicone case is £49. I'm sure in America it's probably $49. But fortunately on Amazon I just saw that there's an offer. It's like £10 off. So I got this one for £39. So that's £10 cheaper. But this time I decided to get it. I have to admit, this is the first time I've bought a Apple phone case from the Apple brand, and I usually don't get it because of there's no drop protection. I'd rather get a one with the military drop protection. The inside is a microfiber material, as usual. All precise cutouts for the straps as well on the corners. So you've got two cutouts for the strap. It's got the camera button. It's very precise, and it's made by Apple, so obviously it's going to match the size, and it's going to be a perfect fit as well. So I've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max deep blue color with the silicone case, and I have to say it looks good. It's the closest thing that would match the deep blue color, and the buttons are functioning really good. You've got the camera button here, and it's lightweight. It's not as heavy as the other cases that I usually use. I usually use military drop protection cases, but this one is pretty good. You've got camera protection. It's got a raised area for this. The lip is quite raised for the protection of the camera, although it is exposed. Most of it is exposed, but still, if it feels really good, and it's smooth, and unlike Techbo, and there's no sound, there's no weird scratch sounds when you make a scratch or something. This is another case I bought. It's called, I think the pronunciation is Imlucky, and I will try this. And the reason I bought this, because it comes with a lens cover, so you can protect your lens, and for privacy reason I usually like these cases. I got a case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max, similar one, from a different company, but this one is got a different cutout for the camera lens. It opens from the inside for the flashlight, and it's kind of it doesn't look exactly the same as my last case. It's got MagSafe, but I'm going to try it on. Okay, so I'm kind of disappointed with the case because, as you can see, with the screen protector on, this case is not screen protector friendly. The lip of the case is not raised enough to protect your screen. It will shatter your screen protector, even could shatter your mobile screen if it's dropped in a certain angle. I love these cases that protect your camera lens, to be honest, and there's like a privacy, it's like a privacy thing. You can just close the lens cover anytime you want. I actually wanted a case like this, but as you can see, look at the front. It's going to shatter your screen protector if you drop it. Definitely a design fault. Okay, this is the Unicorn Beetle Supcase or Supcase, whichever way you want to pronounce it. I used this case with my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I'm glad I bought this because they actually improved the design, and now it's got a built-in kickstand as last time, but it also has a protection for the camera lens. As you can see, perfect cutouts for the camera lens, and it's got protection so you don't scratch the lens camera lens area of the phone. It's got a dedicated button for the camera, and all the buttons are in the right place. It's got the perfect cutout. The corners are raised, so if you drop it, hopefully it will protect your phone. The stand, the kickstand is not 360 degrees, but it's enough for you to watch something or just place it on your table while you work. So let's see the blue color. Okay, so here's another case. This is another Supcase. Unicorn Beetle Mag, I think what it's called. It's just over £20, £21.99 I think, on Amazon. And let's see what it is. Okay. It's got some instructions. It's got a foldable ring kickstand. Okay, so this is just showing that it's got a built-in camera button. So this is the actual case. I had some high hopes about this case actually, because the last few times I bought a Supcase, I really like them, but this one, it's got MagSafe, that's fine. But the problem is with this area, it is very slippery. And the dropper that I'm kind of afraid that I may drop this because this bit is quite slippery. I like the kickstand. It is a solid kickstand. Okay. The problem is this area. As you can see, I don't know if it's steel or aluminium or whatever, but this is probably going to scratch. This may scratch the area of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, because I've seen other videos where it shows that this area gets scratched easily. Okay, let's see how it looks with the phone inside the case. Okay, I've got the phone in front of me and just gonna pop it in. It's quite easy to pop it in. So the front looks good. Even with the screen protector on, it's got a bit of a lip to protect your phone, as you can see. This is for the lanyard. The bottom seems fine. Action button. Let's see the other bit. Yeah, this is okay. So this is the camera button. Let's press the camera button. It's working fine. That's all good. So the back bit. This is the area I'm worried about. I'm talking about this area because in other videos I saw that this area gets scratched really easily. So I'm a bit worried about this being so tight. It may scratch this area. The kickstand is quite sturdy actually. Yeah. You can watch it like this, you can watch it like this. The kickstand is fine. The other concern is this is slippery. As you can see, this is slippery, so I may have to return this case. I am a dropper and I may drop this case quite often, and I'm worried about this area. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button for future content, inshallah. And I will see you all in the next video, inshallah. Take care everyone. Bye for now.